Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest productivity hacks. Today, we're diving into how to add Smartsheet to Teams in 2025. If you're tired of switching between apps and want seamless collaboration, this tutorial is for you. Smartsheet is a powerhouse for project management, and integrating it with Microsoft Teams can supercharge your team's workflow. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts for both Smartsheet and Microsoft Teams. If you don't, sign up quickly, it's free for basics. Once you're logged in, open Microsoft Teams and head to the Apps section. Search for Smartsheet in the App Store. You'll see it pop up as an official integration. Click on it and hit Add to a Team. Select the team where you want this integration, then confirm. Now, for the fun part, configuration. After adding the app, go to the Smartsheet dashboard. Look for the Integrations or Apps menu. It's usually under Settings. Connect your Smartsheet account to Teams by authorizing the link. This might involve granting permissions for data sharing, so double-check what you're allowing. Once connected, you can customize how Smartsheet items appear in Teams channels. For example, set up notifications for updates or embed sheets directly into conversations. One cool benefit of this 2025 update is the enhanced real-time syncing, which means changes in Smartsheet reflect instantly in Teams. This is perfect for remote teams or fast-paced projects. If you run into any issues, check the help sections in both apps or Microsoft's support page. They've got great troubleshooting guides. And there you have it. You've successfully added Smartsheet to Teams, making your workday a whole lot smoother. Give this a try and see how it boosts your productivity. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.